Alright, I wasn't going to do a vlog, but I decided to at least film a little bit because Allie and I came to Sun Valley, Idaho for like a quick little ski trip with our mountain collective pass. And it's a Sunday right now. It snowed like a foot last night and there's no one here. This place is insane. Might be the most amazing day I've ever had in my life. You don't have to fight anyone for the powder. There's Allie just struggling to survive because it's so deep. And here, like, look at this guy over here.
Oh my god.
He's waist deep just trying to move. So, Sun Valley, absolutely two thumbs up, but I gotta use one thumb to hold the camera, so absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go back to snowboarding and maybe I'll get some GoPro footage. Bye! Alright, I think that I got like a tiny bit of GoPro footage, but most insane day of my life. I'm standing up to my waist right now just waiting for Allie, but I didn't even fall. This is all from just beautiful face shots and an untouched field of powder right above me. Right here. Alright, we're done. That was great. Probably best day of my life, I'd say. Now we're gonna go in the hot tub and get a dinner and then just chill and then ride again tomorrow. So I don't feel like filming again tomorrow. I'm just gonna enjoy the day. So that's essentially it. We came to Idaho for like 2 days. If you can catch a snowstorm here, I'd highly recommend it. Catch you guys later. Peace.